Have you ever noticed on Reels that some people have this follow button and then some people don't? Well, if you want to grow by using Facebook Reels, you want to make it as easy as possible for people to follow you. And there's a simple way that you can do this. First of all, why it's not showing up is because when you post a reel, Facebook has your settings automatically set to show your reel to the general public. However, it's not automatic that the general public can follow you. You have to change that in your settings. This is for personal Facebook profiles. If you're trying to grow your reels on a business page, I have a very easy tip that I am going to give away at the end of this video. I've actually created a little green screen effect that will encourage viewers to follow you once they view your Facebook reel. So let's get into the settings. So I'm going to share my screen with you right now so you can see what I'm doing on my phone to change the settings on my profile so that the follow button will show up on my reels. So we have Facebook open, hit menu down here, scroll down to settings and privacy, click on settings, then scroll down to followers and public content. This is how you're going to get that follow button to show up. You want to change who can follow me to public. And then also who can see your followers on your timeline. Just go ahead and change that to public as well, just in case. The main one that you want to change is the who can follow me. Change that to public. If you're wanting to really grow on Facebook, I would probably just recommend changing all of those to public because that will certainly help you be seen more often. Once you're all done with that, the next time you post a reel, the follow button should show up for you. Now, if you are a business and you are trying to grow your reels, I definitely think that it's a great idea to encourage people to follow you, to have a call to action on your reels. That's why I've created this green screen effect. It's kind of like adding a subscribe button on a YouTube video. It's just an overlay that you can put on your video that will show people that you want people to like your reel and to follow you on Facebook. So I'm going to go into my computer right now and show you how to use it. So as you know, I work for a heating and air conditioning company and I post reels all the time, and we get a lot bigger following off of the reels than we do any other type of post. I want to encourage people to follow us on Facebook every time I post a reel. I'm working on my video here I'm using Final Cut Pro right now, but this works for anything you're using. iMovie, CapCut, I've tested it and everything, and it works. I'm going to drop in this green screen right now. I'm going to put it over here on top. And so of course it shows up as green. If you are in Final Cut Pro, you go over to effects and type in Kier, whatever it is, and then put it on top so that that green part goes away. It looks like this. The sound effects are already in there for you. And so I just kind of lay it on the top of every reel at the end of it to encourage people to like and follow us on Facebook. So if you would also like to use this feature, you can download it from my website for free. So just look in the description below. As always, I only want to make content for you that saves you either time or money. So I hope that this works for you. I made it for myself, and if it's helpful for you, then awesome. I'll just real quick show you how to do this in iMovie as well, because if you're using iMovie to edit your reels, this works great. You can also use iMovie for free on your iPhone if you want to edit reels on your phone only. Okay, so right now I am editing this reel in iMovie. Let me grab this green screen effect right here. Bring it down. I want to place it at the end of my reel. And if you're in iMovie, you just click on the green screen piece. You go up here and click on this blue button, go down to green/blue screen, and that changes it. So now you can just quickly see it pop up, follow, and like. I really do hope that this tip helps your Facebook audience grow. If this was valuable content for you, I really do hope that you will like this video and subscribe for more low-cost, no-cost marketing content every week. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.